Hi, my name is Cedric Sequerra, also known as Sequerra, and I'm a photographic pop artist.
Run up the tab like a track meet, take out the gals, put the gals.
So my process involves finding collectors who have amazing collections that unfortunately don't get seen by the majority of people. Sometimes they get seen by their friends, you know, for a couple of seconds, they're appreciated, but then they're stored back in boxes and then thrown back into the garage where nobody will appreciate them. So my process involves finding these collectors and photographing their collections and sharing them with the world. So this one, for example, is in a boardroom that rarely ever gets used. And so when I stepped into this boardroom and I saw this, I thought it would make an amazing collection to show off of these 1/16 die-cast cars, but condensed and recolored into a beautiful way for people to appreciate, especially car fanatics. And then we can skip over to this one, which is one of my favorite pieces, which is the Blockbuster Cityscape. And this piece is actually my own collection of VHS. And every single VHS here is handpicked by me and represents a moment of my childhood that I know also speaks to almost everybody from my generation who has seen these films and identifies with these films, whether it was Star Wars or Terminator or Ghostbusters, Ninja Turtles. There's a little bit of something for everyone. And when you group it, you know, whether it's sci-fi or action or horror, everybody's got a little bit of something in this piece and they can see themselves. And that's where the collection, sharing the collection, really pops and really connects with the audience.